Hi, I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the void cube. Before you get started, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The void cube is a 3x3 shape mod. It has edges and corners, but no centers. For the most part, it solves the same way as a normal 3x3, but because it has no centers, some parts of the solve are done differently. This puzzle has a different color scheme than most, with red being the opposite of yellow and pink being the opposite of orange. Okay, let's scramble this up. Alright, the puzzle is now scrambled. It is assumed that you know how to solve a 3x3. I will go over the solve, but I will not go over it in depth except for the parts that are different. All the algorithms will be shown on the screen as they're being done. We'll begin with the first layer, starting with the red cross. Since there are no centers, the easiest way to start is just pick any red edge. And we have one right here, and this is red and pink. So put this on top. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for a corner that has red and pink. So let's go take a look, see where we have one. And we have red and pink here. So we also have red, pink, and blue. So I'm going to rotate this into position here just to see which one of these two it matches up with. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, so we saw the corner, the other corner when it was up here briefly, that was the one that belonged here for the blue. But that being said, this one does not match here. So that means that that needs to go over here. So this is correct where it is, and the blue actually has to go over here. So we're going to move the red and blue edge. So it is over here on this side. So based on that, we have this here. So we have pink, we have blue here. So we're going to have orange is going to be here, and green is going to be here. So we have the red and orange here. We're going to bring that over. So now we have 3 of the 4 edges complete, and now we just have to get the red and green. Let's see where that is. That's right there. So that needs to move. It's actually in the right spot. Just gotta rotate that over. And now we have our cross built. And now we're going to rotate the corners into position. We have this one here, red, pink, and blue. And we now have below where it needs to go, and we'll be using our standard rotation algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, excuse me, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And that corner is now in place. And let's look for another corner. We have red, pink, and green. So put that where it needs to go and repeat the algorithm. R prime, D prime, R, D. 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 And that corner's in place. And let's see. Neither of them are there, so that's fine. We have red, blue, and orange. That's going to go here. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. And that corner's in place. Now I have to put the last one in. And that one's right here. Bring that over and put that into place. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. The first layer is now solved. Now we'll solve the middle layer. Turn the puzzle over. And this is going to solve exactly the same way as a normal 3x3. The only difference is that because we have no centers, we need to match up an edge with its corresponding color on the completed first layer. So we have a pink and blue edge. I'm going to move that over so this way this color matches up here, and that is going to be blue and pink. That's going to go to the right because the other pink, pink is right there. So we'll be using this algorithm: U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F, and that edge is now in place. We have another one here, green and orange, so I'm going to be rotating the face so this is matching up with this. That's going to be going to the right as well, so we'll be repeating that algorithm: U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And that edge is now in place. So let's see what else we have here. We have blue and orange. Move that over so this matches up with orange. And that's also going to be going to the right. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And that edge is in place. 3 of the 4 are done. And this one's already where it needs to go, and it's going to be going to the left. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. The second layer is now solved. Next, we will solve the third layer, starting with the L cross. Take a look at what we have. We have our L here, and with the L, it doesn't matter whether you have a yellow corner up here or not. Just need to have the L, and perform this algorithm: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. We have our line: F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And the cross is now built, and we'll take a look, and this one's matched up. See if any of the others are. They are not. Okay, so we're going to hold the puzzle like this and perform this algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And the edges are now permuted. Now we will permute the corners. We can have 2 cases. Let's take a look at what we have. And this corner is good, this corner is not good, this corner is not good, and this corner is not good. So we have our normal case. So I'm just going to hold it with the correct corner on the right and perform this algorithm: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. And let's take a look. That corner is good, that's not good, that's not good, and that's not good. So we'll do it again: L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. And we'll take a look again. This one's good, this one's good, this one's good, and this one's good. So the corners are now permuted, and we will now orient the corners and complete the solve. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Being a little sticky on me here. Rotate the face, last corner, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Rotate this, and the puzzle is solved. Okay, we're back to the point where we need to permute the corners. So we're going to take a look, and let's see, we have this corner is good, is not good, this corner is good, this corner is not good, but this corner is good. So when we have two corners that are correct and two corners that are flipped, you have a parity, which normally with a 3x3 you can't get, but because of the fact that this has no centers, it introduces the possibility of having a parity, which we have here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be performing this algorithm to eliminate the parity, and the M prime moves this middle vertical layer up like this, and M moves the vertical layer down like that. Now if the correct corners are next to each other, you will put them on the right like this. And if they are diagonal, which they are here, because this one is correct, this one is correct, it doesn't matter which way you place it. M prime, U, M prime, U prime, M, U prime, M, U2, M prime. The parity is now gone, but the O layer is messed up. You'll need to rebuild and permute the cross, and then permute and orient the corners to complete the solve. From here, the puzzle will solve the same as a normal 3x3. So let's take a look. We have our line. So we're going to be doing our normal cross building algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. We have our cross. Let's take a look. This one is matched up. Let's see what else we have. And I'll be performing this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And the cross is now permuted. And now we're going to be permuting the corners. Let's take a look what we have. That one is not good. That one is not good. That one is not good. And that was not good. So it doesn't matter which one we have here. We just perform the algorithm. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. And let's see what we have. Okay, this corner is correct. This one is not, this one is not, and that one is not, so that's fine. This is the correct corner. We'll leave it on the right and repeat the algorithm. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, U prime. And not only are the corners permuted, but they're permuted correctly. And the puzzle is now solved. Now, if the corners obviously had not been rotated correctly, we'd be just doing the regular R prime, D prime, R, D to complete the solve. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to solve the void cube. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.